Class 10th Geography Chapter Agriculture in India. Let's begin with this chapter. Importance of agriculture in India. The term agriculture broadly means man's management of the environment to produce food. Agriculture has been practiced in India since ages. While relative importance of agriculture has been reduced as a consequence of the rapid industrial development, agriculture still forms the backbone of Indian economy. Agriculture not only provides food and fodder to human beings and livestock, it is also the source of raw material for many key industries, example sugar industry, textile industries and edible oil industries. India is a very prominent country from agricultural point of view. Its undulating topography, varied climate with sufficient sunshine, ideal temperature and two main growing seasons provide conditions necessary for agriculture. Salient features of Indian agriculture: dependence on monsoon, variety of crops, preponderance of food crops, seasonal pattern. About 65% to 70% of people in India are engaged in agriculture. The main crop seasons of India are Kharif season, Rabi season and Zaid season. Kharif season. Ground is prepared in April and May. Harvesting is done in the beginning of November. Major crops of this season are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton, sesame, groundnut, pulses and jute. Rabi season. Ground is prepared by end of October or beginning of November. Harvesting takes place in March. Major crops of this season are wheat, barley, jowar, gram, oilseeds and tobacco. Zaid season. It is the summer cropping season in which crops like rice, maize, groundnut, vegetables and fruits are grown along with pulses. Green Revolution. The Green Revolution was launched in 1967 to 68 to improve agricultural productivity in two phases. First Green Revolution, mainly confined to the progressive wheat producing states of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh. Second Green Revolution, in 1983 to 84, the Green Revolution was extended to eastern and central states including West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. As a result of the Green Revolution, wheat production more than doubled and rice production increased by 53%. The following measures were adopted: use of high-yielding variety of seeds, irrigation, use of insecticides and pesticides, consolidation of holdings, land reforms, rural electrification, improved rural infrastructure, supply of agricultural credit, use of chemicals or fertilizers, opening of agricultural universities. The major food crops of India are rice, wheat, millets and pulses. The major cash crops of India are tea, coffee, sugarcane. Tea and coffee are also the two beverages. The fiber crops of India are cotton and jute. Oil seeds of India are edible oils, groundnuts, sesame, mustard, sunflower, soya bean. Non-edible oil seeds are linseed and castor seed. This is all about chapter agriculture.